Chevrolet is back in the compact sedan game with the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Tigor car, designed to fuse practicality, style, and advanced tech in one sharp-looking package. Whether you're a city commuter or a budget-conscious buyer seeking value, the Tigor aims to deliver more than you'd expect from an entry-level sedan. Exterior design. The 2025 Tigor embraces a bold, urban-friendly look. With a wide grille, LED projector headlamps, sharp body lines, and a coupe-inspired roofline, it carries a sporty flair while remaining practical. New alloy wheels, sleeker door handles, and smoked tail lamps give it a more premium feel compared to previous compact offerings from Chevy. The refreshed aerodynamic profile not only looks stylish, but also boosts fuel efficiency. Interior. Step inside, and the Tigor surprises with its smart use of space. Premium fabric upholstery, a floating 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster, and ambient lighting elevate the cabin experience. Rear passengers enjoy improved legroom, and there's more trunk space than you'd expect in this segment. Chevy has also improved sound insulation for a quieter ride. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Tigor comes with two engine options, a 1.2L naturally aspirated petrol and a 1.0L turbocharged variant, both tuned for balance between efficiency and city-friendly performance. A 5-speed manual and CVT automatic transmission are available, catering to different driving preferences. The turbo variant offers a peppy feel, perfect for urban sprints, while the base model prioritizes mileage and affordability. Safety features. Chevrolet has equipped the Tigor with a solid range of safety tech. Standard across all variants are dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders. Higher trims come with a rear-view camera, electronic stability control, ESC, hill start assist, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. A reinforced body structure adds to crash safety credentials. Market position. Targeted toward young professionals, first-time car buyers, and small families, the 2025 Tigor slots below larger sedans, but offers plenty of features found in higher segments. It's expected to compete directly with vehicles like the Hyundai Aura, Honda Amaze, and Tata Tigor, ironically, despite the similar name. Chevy's focus is clearly on affordability, design, and tech without compromising on core performance. Outro. The 2025 Chevrolet Tigor may not be a sports sedan or luxury cruiser, but it doesn't need to be. It's a smart, stylish, and surprisingly well-rounded compact that proves Chevrolet still knows how to make a car that hits all the right notes for everyday drivers. Whether you're upgrading from a hatchback or looking for your first car, the Tigor deserves a serious look.